I'm Meredith from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Premier Forever DLX Extend2Fit SnugLock 4-in-1 car seat featuring Anti-Rebound Bar, forward-facing using the vehicle seat belt. To prepare your seat, start by removing the infant supports. The infant supports can only be used in rear-facing mode. Remove the Anti-Rebound Bar, as this can only be used in rear-facing mode. To remove the Anti-Rebound Bar, press on the gray buttons on the side of the extension panel. Make sure extension panel is stored in position 1, as it can only be used in rear-facing mode. Remove your tether strap from storage on the back of the seat. Extend the tether strap and place it over the back of the vehicle seat. Make sure the lower anchor strap is stored in the rear-facing belt path marked with the blue label. Recline the car seat using the handle at the front of the seat. Adjust the recline to one of the 2 forward-facing recline positions marked with the orange label, using the correct position for your child's weight. Make sure the base is flat on the vehicle seat and make sure at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Do so by checking the orange label at the front of the car seat. Raise the headrest to the highest position. To access the belt path, unsnap the seat pad and lift it out of the way. Loosen your harness straps and move them out of the way for easy access to the belt path. Unsnap the bottom seat pad to move it out of the way. Open the SnugLock lock-off using the gray button. Route the vehicle seatbelt through the forward-facing belt path marked with the orange label. Make sure to route the seatbelt behind the SnugLock lock-off. Route the vehicle seatbelt through the forward-facing belt path marked with the orange label on the other side and buckle the seatbelt. Make sure that the vehicle seatbelt lies flat and is not twisted. Press down on the center of the seat and remove slack from the vehicle seatbelt by pulling on the shoulder belt and feeding the slack back into the retractor. Once you remove slack, close the SnugLock lock-off. Attach and tighten the tether. Test for tightness at the forward-facing belt path. The seat should not move more than 1 inch side to side or front to back. If it does, open the SnugLock lock-off, remove more slack, and then close and test for tightness again. Reattach the seat pad using the snaps on the seat cover. Move the top seat cover back into place, and make sure to move the harness straps in front of the seat cover, and reattach the snaps. Move the headrest back to the proper position for your child. Now you're ready for your child. Check for proper harness height. Straps should be at or just above the child's shoulders for forward-facing mode. Buckle the child in and attach the chest clip. Tighten the harness. Move the chest clip to armpit level. Do the pinch test. You should not be able to pinch any extra slack at the child's shoulders.